Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today, we're taking a look at the legendary BMW R51, a classic motorcycle that helped shape BMW's reputation for reliability, comfort, and timeless engineering. Overview. Introduced in the late 1930s, the BMW R51 featured a 494 cubic centimeters flat twin boxer engine paired with a shaft drive. It was designed for smooth touring and dependable everyday riding, making it one of the most respected motorcycles of its era. Performance. The BMW R51 delivered balanced power with a smooth riding experience. Its boxer engine provided excellent stability, while the shaft drive system required less maintenance than traditional chain-driven motorcycles. Design. With its vintage styling, rounded fuel tank, exposed boxer cylinders, and classic chrome details, the BMW R51 remains an icon among motorcycle enthusiasts and collectors. Its elegant design continues to inspire modern BMW motorcycles. Conclusion. The BMW R51 is more than just a classic bike, it's a piece of motorcycling history. If you enjoy legendary motorcycles and timeless engineering, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to King Bike for more amazing motorcycle content.